So hello and good evening, this is Rutbasolo from Curbal.com, and today is the second part of the collaboration I'm doing with Imke Feldmann. She is a Power Query M master, I would say. She's really, really good with the Power Query and M code. And she has created a few functions for us, for all of us to use. So she has created them, she has published on her blog and on her GitHub account. And I am actually going to show you here how to use one of their functions, which is how to import data from PDF into Power BI. Okay, so let's start. So I haven't found this function in her GitHub yet, but hopefully it will be there very soon. And in her blog post, this is her website, the Be Content. So she has actually published a function for how to export PDF into Power BI. I think this is quite a common use case. And we have here basically all the code we need. She has done everything that we need. The only thing we need to do is copy. On last week's video on Wednesday, I show you how to do it, but I'm going to do it again here, so you don't worry about that. So this is very, very easy. So if you want to export PDF into Power BI, you come here. I will post the link to our blog post, of course, in the description box. So you come here, you click here on View Raw, Control A for select everything, Control C for copy in, and then you go to Power BI. This is an empty file, as you can see. So we go to New Source, Blank Query, Advanced Editor. We paste her code in there. Nothing else to do, just paste. And she has an example for us to use. So let's do that. It says this is an example of a PDF. So we copy the link to the PDF. So we copied the link to the PDF. We go to Power Query again. We paste it in there. And we click Invoke. And this is the beautiful part of it. This is actually using R. And you don't realize it until you start to ask you things like that. Let's talk about that a little bit more in detail after we've tested this. So if you try to use the function right away, because it is an R script, you might not have the package that is needed installed. And this is exactly what is happening. It says error, there is no package called PDF tool. So the first thing we need to do is to go to R and install that package. So let's do it. So if you are new to R, the first thing you need to do is actually check this video, download and install R for Power BI, because you need to have a few things installed in your computer for this to work. So you have to follow first the steps on this video, and then you come back to this step and continue, because you need to have something called R Studio. You will read everything about it here. I already have R Studio installed, of course, so we're going to install that package. PDF tools, I think it was, right? So it's installed now. Successfully unpacked. So now that I have PDF tools, I can try again the function that Imke created. Let's do it. So let's try it again. We go back to the function that is here. We should give it a better name. Extract PDF. Paste it in here. Invoke. And is your work? Let's see. So now, as you can see, once we install that, the function works perfectly, which is fantastic. So you might be wondering, okay, what is this by page optional? And it says it here, using one in the second optional parameter, it will return one row per line instead of matching indices. So this is actually searching for indices on the PDF file and returning a row for that. But perhaps you would like to have like that, right? So one line, one row, one line, one row. I'm imagining that this is perhaps the most common scenario for it. And here you will get everything you need. I mean, how amazing is this, right? The function is written for you. It is an R function. You don't need to know anything about R. You don't need to know anything about M. And then you can extract PDF data into Power BI. It is really powerful. So on the next Power Query video, we're going to show you how to actually export data to Azure. So we've shown you how to export data to CSV. We've shown you how to export data to SQL. And in next video, we will show you how to export data to Azure. So stay tuned. So how amazing are these M functions, right? I absolutely love them. I mean, you can get the help for the experts. You don't need to know much, but you can get so much done. You can concentrate on actually, analyzing the data. So I hope you are getting into these functions. I will do, again, one more video on it, and then if you have any function that you would love to showcase, just let me know and I will make a video about it, okay? But for today, this is it. So if you like the PDF extraction tool, let us know by liking the video, share the knowledge. I'm sure that you have colleagues that would like to extract data from a PDF into Power BI, so now they know how to do it. If you are new to the channel, Monday Power Query, Wednesday Power BI, Friday DAX. So make sure you subscribe so you don't miss one video. And to make sure you don't miss the video, just click the bells to receive notifications when I publish a new video. Otherwise you won't. But have a great evening. Bye.